Hi, it's Eva and Mark, and we're here in the Totem Pole Restoration Area in Ketchikan. And these are poles that are being restored, fixed up, and then put in the ground again. So it's really cool. And this is how they put together rain dance, and then you can see the poles being put up. Bird pole. Every pole tells a story. And that's the original hat from the man wearing hat. This is a separate piece that's then put on, and it has whales on it. So it's telling the story. So come with us as we take you to Ketchikan, to the Totem Pole area, and see how they restore these poles. And it's a beautiful area. You can see all these totem poles here. We're going to go see them a little later. You can see the beautiful water. It's a beautiful park. We're going into the clan house.